Sixth class. My name is Maria Kausar, and today you will see our chapter number 4, which is algorithmic thinking. And we already read this chapter, and today we will solve the exercise question answer. And question on page number 63. Our first question is, list down the benefits of step-by-step process of a problem solving. So you can see answer on page number 54. Class, you can write these steps like as if you have write the benefits of problem solving, like as identify problem definition, and problem analysis, problem planning, test solution, and selecting best solution. So class, these are the steps that are helpful for us to solve a problem. So you must write one line of them, at least write one line each of them, and try to write the answer in your own words. Our next question is how identification of a problem is helpful in problem solving. So class, here you can see identification of a problem. It means we have to identify the problem. Okay, so answer on page number 54. So class, you can see we can take a content from here, answer from question number 2, and try to solve this answer in your own words. Let me explain you. We have to clear and specific in identifying a problem. It means class, we have a clear and specific identification. Okay, specific identification means like as we you give the clear and specific instructions, that in these instructions, to follow these instructions, you can solve this problem. Okay, once identification problem should be stated in a simple and clear fashion, hence it can be solved easily. It means class, suppose a problem will be given to you, add some numbers. If they are provided, you will enter on your words, like as taking number 5, 4, whatever you want. Okay, so to solve this problem, add. Okay, add number will be specified like as we perform the calculation of addition. Okay, so here you can see clear and specific identification, like as add two numbers. You can add any two numbers, that can be 5, 4, 6, 7, whatever you want. You can add these numbers and get the result. Okay, this is the simple and easy example that will be helpful for you. So class, you can read these lines and try to write your answer on your own words, and write it on your notebooks. Here you can see on page number 63, our question number 3. What do you mean by problem analysis? Okay, in this question we can discuss about the problem analysis. Okay, so let's see the answer. Answer on page number 54. You can see problem analysis. You can read this paragraph and try to write the answer in your own words. Let me explain it. Problem analysis is the process of defining a problem. Okay, it can define a problem and decomposing a problem. Like as we can divide it the problem into smaller parts and try to solve the each part. Okay, into a smaller part to identify the possible inputs and process it and expected output related the problem. It is processed to figure out with the help of 5 W's, that is what, when, where, who and why from the problem statements. So these are the questions arise in our mind, like as what type of problem, when it come, where, who and why. So if we identify, if we analyze these 5 W's with the help of 5 these W's, we can easily solve our problem by queries, by asking, then we easily solve our problem. So here is a process of analysis. Okay, analysis is a process of defining a problem and decomposing a problem into smaller parts to identify the possible input, processes and expected output related to the problem. So class, you can read this paragraph and try to write in your own words. Look at the notebook class. First of all class, you have to draw the marcher line. Okay, draw a straight marcher line. Then you write the day. Day is Wednesday and date is 13th November 2024 and topic is algorithmic thinking. And our star line is answer the following question. You will write the question number 1 statement and then write the answer. After that you can write the question number 2 statement and write the answer, and next you can write the question number 3 and write the answer, and you can take help from your book. And hope class you will get my point, and if you have any question then you can simply ask me in the comment section. Okay, and if you have any queries, like as you don't understand anything, then you can easily ask me, and write the your homework in neat handwriting, and your handwriting should be neat and clean, and you will try to watch the full video, then ask me any question. Okay, these 3 questions are given to you. You have to write this work and learn it. Okay, Allah Hafiz class.